Riley. You ready? Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Don't forget to put on your pants.
These are my pants.
No, you don't.
Yeah, these are my shorts.
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
Those are your undies.
No, they're my shorts.
Daddy, those are your undies.
No. What?
Those are your undies.
No, they're not, sweetie. These are my shorts. You ready? Should we go? Okay, actually, let's go through the garage. Okay?
Okay. But don't forget to put on your pants.
These are my pants, sweetheart.
No, they're short.
Yeah, they're my shorts. Okay?
Somebody's in the seat.
Well, they should see me. This is what I'm wearing.
You ready?
Yep, we're ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Put them on your undies. Are you gonna wear those outside?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Really?
Are you sure?
I'm positive. You don't think I should?